ให้ที่แบบสำหรับคนถ่ายรูป
This is Grandma's house, the best matcha in town, a Japanese bar in Nakurachishima. They give workshops. You can get matcha, you get wagashi. And I'll show you what it is, bro. The bar is in a very minimalistic style. Free water, of course, and all beautiful whites. Midori, Asahi. We got merch.
really matcha. Okay, we're gonna make coffee. Okay, results. ที่มาgrandma house นะคะ ก็คืออยากมามากเลยนะคะ ติดต่อมายากมากนะตอนแรกจะมาทำเป็นมาเรียนเป็นเวิร์กช็อปนะคะ แต่ว่าเขาไม่มีที่ว่างนะคะนี่เลยค่ะวันนี้ก็เลยมาชิมที่ร้านนี้นะคะ grandma house นะคะ grandma house นี่ grandma house ชิมขอบคุณค่ะมาส่งไหนนะคะ Look at this นี่เลยนะคะมีอะไรบ้างนะคะขนาดไอซ์มัทฉะไอซ์ลาเต้โอ๊ตมิลthis is
Yuzu, honey
ice
lemon.
soda อันนี้ก็เป็น waffles ธรรมดานะคะ and this is dango
Dango.
แกงดังกูมันจะเป็นแบบหนึบๆ soft it's like a jelly okay let's try and this is
Cheesecake.
cheese
No,
cake.
carrot cake.
Carrot cake and this is date
The dates
with butter
and nuts.
and nuts
Walnuts.
Okay, come with me, let's try. Today we are in grandma house. This is the matcha workshop or matcha coffee, right? So we have both all the menus here in grandma house for try a little bit.
Different matcha styles.
Yes. So let's try.
That's what coconut.
So this is
Oats ukuyame,
this is original
oat milk ukuyame.
That's the word much. That it is matcha iced latte with oatmeal, but with special matcha powder and is named Okuyami. So, artisanal.
This?
And this is this one.
I think this is more sweet. This with coconut.
Yeah, this is really coconut.
If you're a beginning matcha drinker, this is for you the best option, I think.
Yes.
It's a bit sweet.
But
I love
you don't taste like a grass or something. You really taste a matcha powder, and it's like how you can say that notes.
Nuts.
Nuts.
They use a lot of nuts, walnuts, pecan nuts, amandels,
Yeah, it smells like something like that.
almonds.
It's not too much, but I really love all the taste, the smack,
The taste.
The taste. Okay, so let's try some dates with butter and walnuts. Look at it. Sorry for my English, but I try. Okay, let's try. So also I can make it
At home.
at home. I think it's not your taste, but
Too much butter, I think.
yeah, too much butter, but the combination is really good. Yeah, combination is really
It's good?
it's good.
Okay, let's try.
A little bit salt.
Salty?
Yeah.
I love salty.
It's like salted butter dates. Something like that.
Not bad.
But it's not your taste,
But
man.
I prefer when you make it at home.
Yeah. So I can also make it. Okay. So no problem. The next one. This is
Carrot
cheesecake.
cake. Carrot cake.
Cake.
Also with nuts on top.
Okay. This is carrot cake. So let's try. It
That's
smells like cinnamon.
romarin.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, it tastes like cinnamon. That's why I
Walnut.
love it.
I love this one. Really love this one. Very, very cool.
Not too greasy. And the sugar that they add is natural organic sugar. Oh, I love
Really good. Yeah. This is the best one, I think.
it. Yeah.
But we can't take anything. We have to try this one first, and this one, and this one also. I love them. Okay. The best one, I think.
So the
Okay, but
matcha ice.
we can tell is what is the best one. The next, this is
Matcha ice.
matcha with
With they call it a croffle. It's like a waffle, but a croffle from Japan.
yes, with red bean,
Oh, red beans.
red bean
I didn't
and
notice.
matcha ice cream. Okay, let's try.
The ice is not too much. You can taste sugar. It's real matcha that you taste. The leaf, the green leaves. I love it. With the red beans on top.
But the ice cream, you really taste like matcha. The really matcha.
Yeah, the real matcha.
The matcha.
When you get a matcha ice outside here in the 7-Eleven, it's always too much sugar.
Yeah, it's not take you cannot taste like this. It's not really matcha powder, you know. The best matcha is it costs really the cost here for you.
It's very expensive.
Yeah.
This is maple syrup. It's a replacer like honey.
Ah yeah. Can put it.
A little bit.
So maybe you put like this, and like this, a little bit red bean. Let's try.
Good? Let's try.
You say that, it's not mine. Oh, but this, look at this. Look.
No.
That's how I do.
Yeah?
But I love this.
Okay, so you can eat it also.
Yeah.
But we can share it with the family.
Yeah. I really love it. So one more time. One more.
Good.
Don't chill. Okay.
One more last thing to try. Ooh, the
Okay.
eggs.
Now,
The dango eggs. And
dango
that's really new for me.
for me also. But this one I think very special in Japan.
In Japan, yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Give it 3 more years and it's gonna come to Europe also.
I will try one.
It's like an eyeball. Show it to the camera, an eyeball. It's like mochi.
Yeah.
What's the base? It's eggs, butter,
No,
soya.
no. It's made from powder with water, and then you get some jelly.
Ah, some
something
jelly,
like-
yeah. Okay.
It's not my taste. It's nothing taste.
Okay,
But you can try.
really very neutral. So, what's your favorite thing here?
For me, I think this one.
For me
cheesecake,
also.
Carrots, and this one. But not too much butter. It's gonna be okay. This one. Because yeah, this one.
No, I'm really glad for the yuzu because on vacation I'm very thirsty and I'm looking for yuzu, the really good yuzu. Because it's easy to make fake yuzu with a lot of sugar, but that's the real one. Soda. Oh, so much more healthy than lemon. Lemon is healthy, but this is a power fruit, a super fruit.
And for me, as the best one is coconut ice matcha. It's good. So if you come here in Kora or Nakorajima, you can come here to Grandma House.
For
And
the
let's
best
try-
matcha, the best Japanese style, and for a workshop if you want to whisk your matcha
Yeah.
yourself.
You can also search to Instagram,
Yes.
Grandma House for workshop, and I think about 3,500 baht for one time.
Yeah, that's about $100.
Something like that, yeah.
Yes.
So you can try personal prefer.
Yeah, private lessons,
Yeah, private lessons.
workshops. If they give you some goodies like a whisker, like a t-shirt, I don't know. But I'll put the link below here.
Okay,
It was a good experience. See you later.
good taste.
Subscribe, Original Ginger. We offer the organic and the healthy foods.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Ciao.
Okay.
Arigato.
แขกของมาเฉยๆก็แขกข้างบ้านที่มาบริจาคมา